This beautiful Mulberry Manor home includes luxurious finishes, custom millwork, and impeccable upgrades throughout. Built in 1925, this 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home retains its historic charm, yet is remodeled to suit the modern homeowner. Upon entering the home, you're instantly greeted by a beautiful 2-story spiral staircase with an elegant chandelier. You'll also notice newly installed high-end laminate flooring throughout the main level. The formal dining area awaits the family gatherings and special occasions yet to come. Your inner chef will be ready to play in the completely remodeled and redesigned kitchen that's furnished with new cabinets, a walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, custom lighting, and ample counter and cabinet space. The massive island can sit 8 and is wonderful to entertain family and friends. Upstairs you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms and a separate living area that makes the perfect retreat at the end of a busy day, or you can head out to the large enclosed 4-season porch to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while protected from the elements. Boasting countless updates, you're going to want to see this beauty for yourself. Call Debbie Lusick before it slips away.